Sometimes you have to take a step back and rethink or redo something better. And in this case, I noticed a problem with a piece I made not long ago, and it's been bothering me since, enough that I didn't post it on the marketplace yet. And today I'm fixing it. I want it gone and I want to make some money. I put those legs way too close to the middle and in the wrong orientation to be useful there. They're actually pretty dangerous if any were to put on the edge of this. Let's fix this. It was pretty easy to break off the legs after unscrewing them, but this 2x4 I glued it on, so I got to pry it off. Chiseled that quick work of that, followed by a number 4 Stanley plane to clean it up. I love using this, no need to create a bunch of dust to clean something up. Now let's get to the solution. I want to make legs from this 4x4. I can see it's not square at all, wobbling onto my miter saw surface. I cut a bit longer than I need, and long enough to be safe on the drawer. Two passes per side was enough to get it 90 degrees. And then a few quick passes on the opposite sides on the planer got it square on all sides. I want my legs to be 2.5 inches long, which was fine to cut until the last one, where I used a 2x2 to keep my fingers safe. I want to screw those down onto the table with some glue, but I want something solid, so I'll use Forstner bits to dig a little bit in to be able to use washers. With a giant speed square, aligning those was easy, with the unpainted area to align on the other direction. With a bit of glue, enough so the end grain can absorb, and some washers and 3-inch screws, I got them fixed in place. Now, those don't look great as is, so I'll use the same half-inch round-over bit that I used to make this table all around the base of the legs. Save me some sanding at the same time. Those create a mess, but I wouldn't want to hold such small pieces on the router table, so it is what it is. Now I was going to just paint the legs, but might as well put the effort and give this another nice coat, fix any imperfections I left inside from the last time. This is now, again, ready for the marketplace, but this time I'm posting it for real. It passes my quality test. Thanks for watching, subscribe for more, and see you next time.